9:50 in the morning today, and I really almost didn't sleep a wink after what happened last night with the housies. Just ridiculous. My week has been a disaster. I worked 40 hours in 3 days. Over the weekend, it was Anzac Day as well. Did a photo shoot for really a big project, and then last night I had to kick 3 people out of my house for the same thing. No communication and just some weird shit going on that I don't even know how to explain it, or whether I'm putting it up on yesterday's vlog, or I don't know. It's way too weird. And my number plates got stolen, so I've had a great weekend. So today I'm starting the vlog like this. I need the coffee first, and I need this. I need a litre of water to get me going because I'm wrecked.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
What a disaster.
6.5 hours later.
Work is done for the day. Crazy day at work today. It's already taken it out of me. I had so much shit to do. And now I'm going to go home, grab something to eat, and get back to editing these videos. Standard lunch at Walk It Up today, just behind me. They're making my order. I'm gonna go hit the bank up. Gotta go deposit some cash money. And then I'm gonna go home and edit these bloody videos. Fuck. What a day. And look at Perla. No chemtrails today, Teeny. No audio. So I spent the afternoon working on this cooking video that I did with my friend Alicia like 2 weeks ago now. It's a cooking video that she's going to put on her blog for her fashion boutique called Rebel Muse in Braddon. It has literally taken me the best part of 8 hours to get it to the point that it's at now, which is I've cut the footage down from 2 hours and 20 minutes to 37 minutes of usable footage, and then now the challenge becomes editing it down from 37 minutes to 8 minutes. It's very difficult because there's a lot of good footage there, and there's some things that I want to get across, like, there's tips that I want to tell people about how to cook a good broth, but without putting those tips in there. It's just going to be the same as every other video on the internet. So I'm at I'm at a tough point right now because I want to make the video a 37-minute video, but the thing is, if people watch a 37-minute video, they're not going to be interested. It's just going to be a waste of time. So it's a challenge. Maybe I'm going to do 2 versions. I'm not sure yet, but check it out anyway. Here's some of the footage. Look at us.
The onion, a little bit sweeter.
I always figured about leeks. I think they're really underrated vegetables.
They are. Leeks.
It's pretty trendy, right? And there's a few sick camera angles and stuff. If I go back here.
Rough chop for the pot. Usually when you start a stock, the way that you do it is you do what is called a miroir.
It's just great. I'm really proud with how it's turned out. It's been a lot of work, but I'm getting there. I'm really getting there. it's like, and now it's like 10:30 at night, and I've got to go to work at 6 o'clock in the morning. So I think that's going to be the end of today's vlog. Stay tuned because this video is going to be up soon. Oh, and I want to show you the food. Check this out. Check this out. This is the kitchen. And if I go down through some, look at this. Look at that. Oh, basil soup. Oh, professional. Oh, schnitzel. Oh, look at that. Like, serious, it is going to be lethal when I launch this. It's going to be amazing. So stay tuned. Hopefully in the next day or two I'm going to have it finished, but it is a lot of work getting this video done. So
Day 2.
6 o'clock in the morning. It is freezing today. It is absolutely freezing. Look at all this fog. Welcome to winter. Just finished work. Check this out. Check out this, the weather. Absolute perler of a day now. I'm going to go for a little skate around the lake, and then I'm going to talk about something a little bit important that I feel I need to share with people. If this isn't a sign of the water conditions in this lake, I don't know what is. Have a look at this. That's a good sized fish too. Bloody hell.